Now that you've completed your contact information and your summary or objective statement, you're ready to move on to Summary of Skills. After you've completed Module 3 in the Resume Workshop, including the Developing Skills worksheet, come back to College Central Network, and now we're going to work with the section of the resume that says Summary of Skills. Again, click the green plus. And for section name, you have some choices here. You can call it Summary of Skills, Summary of Qualifications, Skills, Qualifications, or Highlights of Qualifications. So you're simply going to choose the one that you prefer. And again, you have the option to format your wording here as text or as a bulleted list. And I often recommend a bulleted list for this section of the resume simply because it is easier for an employer to read more quickly, and it presents your information in a less cluttered fashion. So I'm going to click Bulleted List. I'm going to put in my text, and hopefully you will be using here text that you developed on your worksheet in Module 3. So you're going to put that in, click Add Summary of Skills, and now you'll see that appears as the next section of the information that's going to go onto your finished resume. So here we're kind of collecting all of the information. Again, if you want to edit anything you've put in, you can do that by clicking the pencil, either in the wording itself or for the title of the section. Again, clicking the pencil will allow you to do that. And if you decide that you want to take off this section, the red minus sign is how you'll do that.